Engaged people stay for what they can give. Disengaged people stay for what they can get.
I love it.
I love IT, right? How we can use career development as a strategy to engage and retain staff. Long ago, there was a monk. He was walking along the Russian border, and he was confronted by a soldier. This soldier was a big, burly man and very angry to see this trespasser. And he said, "Who are you? Where are you going? Why are you going there?" The first P is what we call person. Who are you? What are your strengths? What do you value at work? What are your interests? You really want to know who you are. In order to move forward, sometimes he has to go right, sometimes he has to go left, right? Sometimes he goes diagonal, he stretches out. What Mandy does is that she listens, she asks great questions. Careers are just develop one conversation at a time. The devil looked at her in the eye and basically said, "Yesterday we were recruiting you. Today you are an employee." What do you say? Okay, opportunity is now here. Oh, very easy. Just give me 20% pay increase. They want to have a job that is meaningful to them, that they feel contributes to something to the larger society. Instead of doing the exit interview, we want to do the stay interview.